Another topic at that NATO meeting will be the Ebola fight. Just today, the number of deaths officially topped 1,900. It's still spreading faster than the effort to stop it. And an American missionary is speaking for the first time about her battle with the disease. As we learn more about another American doctor who's been infected, we get the story tonight from our chief medical editor, Dr. Nancy Snyderman.
51-year-old Dr. Rick Sacra from Worcester, Massachusetts, volunteered to go to Liberia just a month ago when he heard his colleagues Nancy Wright-Bull and Dr. Kent Brantley contracted Ebola and were being evacuated. Ironically, Dr. Sacra was not treating Ebola patients when he became infected. He was working in the maternity ward.
Here's a doctor bringing new life into Liberia as death is surrounding us.
Today, Nancy Wright-Bull spoke to the public for the first time, 2 weeks after quietly leaving Emory University Hospital.
There were many mornings I woke up and thought, I'm alive.
In Liberia, Wright-Bull had been working long hours, cleaning the protective suits for doctors and nurses. After developing a fever, she told Matt Lauer her husband David broke the news to her. She was infected with Ebola.
And I got out of bed because I was laying down, and David went to hug me and to put his arms around me. And I knew how dangerous that was. And I just said, Dave, don't. Just don't.
How bad did it get for you? How sick did you get?
Well, the night I was evacuated, and when they put me on the airplane, I was bad. And when I said goodbye to David, I was not sure that I would ever see him again.
Now home and getting stronger, both Wright-Bull and Dr. Brantley say they want the world to do more to help the people of West Africa.
I hope that my survival can help more people in Africa survive by motivating the international community to take action.
Action that now includes dealing with another crisis, starvation. Food supplies are not reaching people in isolation, and this situation is growing more dire by the day, Brian.
Nancy, thank you for that. We want to let the folks watching know we'll get much more from these American survivors of this Ebola outbreak in an NBC News primetime special we are calling Saving Dr. Brantley. That's Friday night at 10, 9 Central.